Untaksni Fratrik Naibing Arhajar Pusan, Barhe Gingatli Jongari Haras Bawan Shillong. Barkane Galong, Banrahe Yelanko Sinka by Spats and Posdem Jong Sadar Balabhai Patel, or Mantri Kampo Ying, Banongkong Jongari India. Habakran Hanegasni, Rake Yagajing Yetli Kari, Ulat Jala or CH Vijay Shankar, Ulong Ba, Udap Tajikman Bani, Baki Blawan Baneshimenta, Hagenegasni, Kilong. Na kanhon pulit ke jala meglia ke sipai border security force ki kanhon sipai central reserve police force ki nohi kai bar khana school hagana singi ulat ke jala ulakren yak jingla jong sadar balabai patel banwanra yak jingatli hagari but day mau bala la banbo yo monorim jong jingatli kawai hagana singi ulat ke jala ong ba kadai kamram ke jongi menta banyada yak jingatli jongkari.
Respected officers, member of the Central Armed Force, Meghalaya Police, teachers, dear students, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me great pleasure to be here today on this occasion to celebrate Rashtriya Ekata Divas. The birth anniversary of Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. When we remember the name of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, some of our teachers during, I think, our school days, they have told we people one thing. Probably you are very much aware of such things, and usually now we used to see the incidents, not only outside the border, but are all the incidents taking place within the country also. Our teacher, by that time only, I think probably 40 years back, don't you think that only enemies outside the border? Don't you think that our enemies only outside the border, even inside the border also, within us also, many enemies are there. If at all we are not aware of them, our unity and integrity, that threat always remains. This is what our teacher long back they have been told. Enemy is not only outside the border, even within also. By seeing day-to-day incident, what is happening within ourselves, that also seriously we have to think. Not only in the border, not only outside the border, within the border also. Because many of them, they do not tolerate progress of our country, unity of our country. So it is our duty ultimately to maintain the unity and integrity, not only unity and integrity, the decorum and dignity of Bharat Mata. It is our duty to restore it. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Patel was not only a great administrator, but also a man of integrity and boldness, who believed that India's strength lies in its unity. Through his determination and leadership, he integrated more than 560 princely states into one nation, including our Mysore also. Because I am coming from Mysore.